Understanding Profit Center in Business English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term profit center. It's a term you might encounter in business English, and understanding it can give you great insight into how companies operate. Let's dive in and make sense of this financial concept together. A profit center is a branch or division of a company that is responsible for generating its own revenue and profits. Think of it as a standalone business within a larger business. It's important because it's a way for companies to track the performance of different areas of their business. To illustrate, let's say a company has multiple departments like sales, service, and production. Each can be considered a profit center if they are measured based on their profitability. For example, the sales department would be a profit center if its success is determined by how much it sells. Understanding profit centers is crucial for both managers and employees. It helps in decision-making and strategizing as managers can focus on profit centers to drive the company's growth. For employees, knowing how their department contributes as a profit center can be motivating and rewarding. It's also essential to understand the difference between a profit center and a cost center. A cost center only incurs expenses and does not directly generate revenues, like the HR department. Recognizing this difference helps in better financial management and operational efficiency. That's a wrap on profit centers. They're a pivotal part of how modern companies measure success and make strategic decisions. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video has enhanced your understanding of business English. Keep learning, and see you next time.